Alright, there's the project radio. Pretty much finished up. At least that's enough of just enough I'm gonna do to it. I picked up this thing for 50 bucks off the marketplace, and everything pretty much worked. Meter was out though, and it needed a alignment, which I'm capable of doing, but I just eyeballed it. It's pretty close. There's the offending part. The infamous I swang too much galaxy meter. This is a Voyage 9000. Also sold probably by Durland overseas. Durr. And there it is. Now the meter's working. So the only thing broken now is the third digit of the counter. I ain't messing with that. Got me a little JBL speaker I picked up at the Goodwill. And I'm getting on up. So there it is. Meter working again, my friend. Oh, look at that. Bye bye.